lecture series by Swami Maheswaranandji. As you know, Swamiji is speaking on Yugal Shatak and explaining the meaning of the various poetries or bhajans that Maharaji has written for Radha and Krishna. So, request everyone to turn off their cell phones if they have it on and listen attentively to Swamiji's lecture. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.
Start the camera. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwar, Guru Sakshat Param Brahm, Tasmai Shri Gurave Kasturi Tilakam Lalat Patale Vakshasthale Kaustubham Nasagre Varamautikam Karatale Venuh Kare Kankanam Sarvange Harichandanam Sulalitam Kanthe Jamuktavali Gopastri Parivat Vijayate Gopal Churamani Namah Kamalana Bhaya Namah Kamalamaline Namah Kamalpada Namaste Kamalekshana Yo Brahmanam Virdhati Purvam Yo Vai Vedanscha Prahinoti Tasmai Tagvang Hadevamatma Buddhi Prakasham Mumukshurvai Sharanamaham Prapadye Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Radha Rani ki The seekers, the true seekers of divine love, divine bliss, the divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and every one, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to each and every one of you. Continuing on the theme of Yugal Shatak, that most beautiful divine composition of divine poetries written by the great saint Jagadgurutam Sri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu. So continuing, we're going to start with bhajan number 79. तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे। तू
ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
ओ तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
तू ही मेरी थी भी है भी रहेगी भी राधे।
तू ही मेरी थी भी है भी रहेगी भी राधे।
मैं भी तेरी थी भी हूँ भी रहूंगी भी राधे।
मैं भी तेरी थी भी हूँ भी रहेगी भी राधे।
ओ तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. So, Tattveta, true seeker, having acquired the knowledge that I am the soul, the Atma, यहाँ तक तो मिल गया. He's gotten that knowledge, firmly convinced in the mind that I am the soul, the Atma, I'm not the body. So, he's saying to Radharani, to Sri Krishna, you alone, you alone, you alone are mine. Or, I am alone yours. So the word he means alone, and the word bhi means also. Radha Krishna alone is mine. But I alone does not belong to Radha Krishna. I am also, because there are uncountable souls and uncountable solar systems, Brahmand, and all belong to Radha Krishna. So they are I am also yours. I am soul, Atma. I also belong to you. तू ही मेरी थी भी है भी रहेगी भी राधे. So Radha Rani, you were always mine. You are always mine and you will always be mine. The stronger we can make that feeling in the heart, in the mind, more we are going to benefit. We make so many things and so many relations in the world. It's a nature to want to have all these relationships, to have a mommy, have daddy, papa, to have a husband, have wife, children, friends. Because we have made all these relations uncountable times, in uncountable lifetimes. ये सब बनाया अनंत बार, uncountable times. So the nature, the desire in the mind to want all of these relations is very firm. Somebody is going to say, I'm going to make a desire, I do not want any mommy, any daddy, any friend, etc. Impossible. for the one who wants to become only solely absorbed in God, when the knowledge comes that the happiness I'm searching for, I will find only in Radha Krishna. Because Shri Krishna Radharani is happiness. Anando Brahmeti Vajanat. The Vedas say, Taittiriya Upanishad, chapter 3, verse 6. God is happiness, bliss. So, I have realized that I am the soul, and the only way I'll find true happiness is to know Radharani Shri Krishna. So then what the soul does, we have to make every relation with Radha Krishna. This is so firmly embedded in the mind to want these relations. If we do not make it in the spiritual world, if we do not make this relation with Sri Radha Krishna, with God, then we'll have to make it in the world. Can't remain without it. The mind will keep wanting it, wanting it. So, what do? We just make every relation, and that's a fact. I keep saying, every relation of the soul is only with Sri Krishna. The Vedas tell us, Mata, Pita, Bhrata, Sharanam, Suhit, Gati. Every relation of the soul is only with Sri Krishna, with Radharani. Only. We identify with the body, so we make these relations in the world. And that's the problem. So we have to make every relation with Sri Krishna, Radharani. Don't leave out any. So Sri Krishna, Radharani, you have always been mine. You are mine and you will always be mine. And I was always yours too. I am yours and I will always be yours. Both means the same thing. The devotees are saying like this to make it firm. This is the sadhana. When we keep repeating something in the mind, बार-बार सोचने से, बार-बार, again and again. How do we become attached to any person or object in the world? Thinking again and again. Shri Krishna says in Gita, Dhyayato Vishayan Punsa Sangasteshu Upajayate. Chapter 2, verse 62, Gita. When we think again and again that some person or some object, something is going to make me happy, is going to give me happiness, we get attached to that person or object. We say, I fell in love. I became addicted. I cannot live without it. If I drink a lot of coffee and I think coffee is going to give me happiness, then the day I don't get coffee, I'm going crazy. If I'm a chain smoker, I smoke the cigarette and I don't get a cigarette, oh. People who are alcoholics, and you tell them alcohol is going to kill you, you have to not stop drinking. If it just stop like that, the withdrawal symptoms are so severe, they feel as though they are dying. I have stayed with people like this. This guy invited me to his home. He's an alcoholic. So I went, and Swamiji is coming to his home. He decided, okay, I can't drink. The wife warned him also, you can't drink. So he agreed. And in the night I'm going to sleep, I heard somebody screaming, as though somebody is killing that person. What happening? I got up, I went, this guy, he has pain. The withdrawal symptoms are so severe. The mind has become so attached. So this is thinking again and again. Nobody just falls in love. Oh, I just saw this boy and I fell in love. I just saw this girl and I fell in love. People say like this. nobody falls in love. Very subtly, very subtly. In the mind, the decision comes. The girl sees this boy, the boy sees this girl, and in the mind, the person starts thinking, this is the boy who is going to make me happy. This is the girl who is going to make me happy. Soulmate. The girl also sometimes says, this girl is going to make me happy. This kind of thing happens now too. Soulmate. I saw an article recently, the first athlete in India came out, the first gay athlete, and she said, I found my soulmate. People have this thing about there's somebody, soulmate means what? This person is going to make me happy. That delusion in our mind, because we want happiness. So we are searching constantly for someone or something to make me happy. And if we are convinced a boy is going to make me happy or a girl is going to make me happy, and we make it firm in the mind, slowly, slowly, then we fall in love. We call fall in love in the world. And now food, you don't even want to eat food. Food becomes useless. It's sleep, you can't sleep until you get this person. You get married to the person. Huh? So this boy decides, okay, and he gets married to this girl. I will die for you. I will this, all this thing people say, And then even the wedding vows, these words are repeated. I will never leave you. I will give you the moon and the stars, etc., etc. I will do this. I will do. Hardly anybody listens. They write a few words and let us get this thing finished quickly. And the feeling is there in the heart and the mind that time that this person, I'll give my life to this person. Why? Because this is the person who's going to make me happy. And you get married, and then for a little while, everything is fine. Very happy. In the Hindu marriage, people come to see the Dulahin. Lakshmi has come in the home. Everybody comes to see. But soon, it doesn't take long for the tune to change. The mother-in-law starts abusing. Oh, you're so lazy. You only want to sleep. You never get up and do anything, etc. It may even come to the point that the husband starts thinking, oh God, I ruined my whole life the day I got married to this woman. And the lady might think the same thing. She mightn't say it. What happened? What happened to the soulmate? This person you thought was your soulmate. You realize this person is not making me happy. Instead, they're making me unhappy. That's a fact, because they don't have happiness. How can they give it to you? Nobody has it. So we decide to compromise. Oh, maybe there is a child or something, and for society and the family name, we should make it work. Make it work. So we compromise, and it works. And somebody decides, I can't take this. You're not going to make me happy. Get out. Divorce. This happens. This is the whole natak, this play of this material world, because we are searching for happiness. When we realize that the happiness we're looking for we'll find only in Radha Krishna and Radharani, Shri Krishna, then we will say, you alone were mine, you alone are mine, and you alone will always be mine. Also, I alone was yours, I alone am yours, and I will also alone be yours. All the time. Then this will come in the mind. Otherwise, very difficult. Tu hi meri, tu hi meri, tu hi meri Radhe. Main bhi teri, main bhi teri, main bhi teri Radhe.
Tu hi meri, tu hi meri, tu hi meri Radhe. Main bhi teri, main bhi teri, main bhi teri Radhe.
सदा सो विमुख रही मैं तो सो राधे।
सदा सो विमुख रही मैं तो सुराधे।
या तो भयो मति को विपर्य राधे।
या ते भयो मति को विपर्य राधे।
ओ तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
Why can't we say, you alone, you alone, you alone are mine to God, and I also belong to you? Why can't we say that? So there's something called vimukhta. विमुखता, जीव ने भगवान को पीठ किया. The soul has turned back from God. द्वा सुपर्णा सयुजा सखाया समान वृक्षम परिकस्व जाते तयोरन्यः पिप्पलम स्वादत नश्नन्यो अभिचाकशीति. Shvetashvatara chapter 4 verse 6. So I told you about this before. The Vedas are saying that there is a tree. On the tree, two birds are sitting. One bird is Jivatma, the individual soul. One bird is Paramatma. The position of the two birds are like this. One bird has turned the back to the other bird. Jivatma has turned the back to Paramatma. Vimukhata, vimukha kiya. And that is the whole reason for all our suffering in the world. Having turned our backs away from God, something came called viparyai. Viparyai means delusion, wrong knowledge. Galat gyan, wrong knowledge. What is the wrong knowledge? In other words, agyan, ignorance came. What was the wrong knowledge? We identify with the body. अपने को शरीर मानने लगे. From beginningless time, we started identifying with the body. I am American, I am Guyanese, I am Trinidadian, I am Indian, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, so many titles. All titles of the body. This viparyai has happened for that reason. This wrong knowledge, and that's the cause and source of all our sufferings. We are suffering so much. मति के विपर्य ते ही प्यारी राधे, मैं तो थोड़ी नित्य दासी भूली यह राधे. So when this viparya came, viparya, this wrong knowledge came in our mind, and we identify with the physical body, what happened? We forgot that our nature, the nature of the soul, to serve Radharani. Dasi, dasatva. Jivera Swarupa hoy, Krishnera Nitya Das. Gaurang Mahaprabhuji says, the individual souls are eternal servants. Das, eternal servant of Shri Krishna, of Radharani. What does a servant do? Serve. Seva. Bhakti means seva. Bhaj. The word bhaj, the root of bhakti, the root word, when we want to know what a word means in Sanskrit, we look for the root, dhatu. The root word is bhaj. Bhaj means seva karna. Bhaj dhatu sevayam, to do seva, to serve. To serve who? To serve Radharani, Shri Krishna. So the soul's nature to do seva, I forgot that. I'm still serving, but I'm serving the world now. Because I have identified with the body, so from beginningless time I have been serving the world. And doing seva, serving the world, I got nothing but pain and suffering. all the time. तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे। तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे। या मति के विपर्यय ते ही प्यारी राधे, मति के विपर्यय ते ही प्यारी राधे, मति के विपर्यय ते ही प्यारी राधे, मति के विपर्यय ते ही प्यारी राधे। मैं तो तोरी नित्य दासी भूली यह राधे, मैं तो तोरी नित्य दासी भूली यह राधे। ओ तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे। तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे। And what is called this vipariyai? What has caused this vipariyai, this wrong knowledge to come in the mind? Misidentification, something called maya. ये करतूती तेरी माया. The Tattveta, the person who has acquired some knowledge, true knowledge from a saint, a true guru, is saying the reason, the cause of this vipariyai is maya, your maya. Someone told me this, there's a big secret. Ye maram hai, ek secret, there's a secret. Who told me this secret? The Rasik saint. I met a true Rasik saint. I told you the word ras means divine bliss, divine happiness, divine nectar. And the one who drinks that divine bliss, the drink of a divine bliss, is called a rasik. So Shri Krishna is called a ras, and he's called a rasik also. Raso vai saharasagvam he vayam labdva nandi bhavati. Taittiriya Upanishad chapter 2 verse 7. And those who have attained Shri Krishna, they also could start drinking the divine bliss of Shri Krishna. So they are also called a rasik. So the true rasik saint, one who has attained that divine bliss of Shri Krishna, he has told me this secret. That the root, the reason for all this, the one that has caused this vipariyai, this misidentification, this wrong knowledge, is Maya. और याको पल कल नहीं पायो पल राधे, पायो दुख अग नित नित प्रति राधे. And because of this vipariyai, this word is very important. Because of this vipariyai, I have not attained even a moment of peace. The phal, the fruit of life, the aim of life, which is true happiness, to attain true happiness. Being a fraction of true happiness, the soul, mamaivansho jivaloke jiva bhutah sanatana. Chapter 15 verse 7, Shri Krishna says in Gita, the Jivatma, the individual souls, are eternal fractions of Him. And Shri Krishna is happiness. So being eternal fractions of Shri Krishna, of true happiness, we want. That's all we want. But we have not even attained the tiniest drop, even in dream. Instead, we have attained dukh. Payo dukh aganita. Nitya, from beginningless time, every moment, pain and suffering. Somebody's beaten you. And still we don't learn. You know, the condition, a saint says, The condition of the soul is like a stray dog, avara kutta, a stray dog. The dog is very hungry, it's strayed. No, it doesn't belong. The dog is in the house, he gets wonderful food, the best treatment. But the stray dog is so hungry, and you show the dog a dry piece of bread, roti, and the dog runs, comes with the tail wagging, and you take a stick and hit the dog really hard, and the dog starts yelping and runs from a distance and looks at you angrily. When you show the piece of dry bread or dry roti, again it comes wagging the tail. Again you hit. Again it runs away and it's angry and it's screaming and yelping in pain. And looks angrily, and you show the dry piece of roti. It comes again. This is our condition. How many beaten, how many pain and suffering we have gotten. The same place that we thought will give us happiness, that same person, that same object end up giving us pain and suffering. That's all they have. Whatever they have, they're going to give us. And we keep going back there. We don't learn. A kahavat hai. There's a saying that if a cat drinks by mistake hot milk and the mouth is burnt, jal gaye muh, burnt, then even if it's chaach, buttermilk is cold, but the cat does not know when it goes, oh, it is blowing because it got burnt. We don't learn. Hum kabhi seekha nahi. But this is a problem. So we have only attained all this upaya dukkha. We've only attained pain and suffering. Tu hi meri, tu hi meri, tu hi meri Radhe. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे. तू ही मेरी,
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
यह कर तूती तेरी माया की है राधे. यह कर
तूती तेरी माया की है राधे.
मरम बतायो यह रसिकन राधे.
मरम बतायो यह रसिकन राधे.
याको फल कल नहीं पायो पल राधे.
याको फल कल नहीं पायो फल राधे.
पायो दुख अगणित नित प्रति राधे.
पायो दुख अगणित नित प्रति राधे.
ओ तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
And this Maya, she has big generals. Senapati. Bare. She has big generals. Who are her generals? Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Vatsalya. Lust, anger, greed, attachment, jealousy, hatred. These are big generals of Maya. And they give tremendous pain to us. The soul, as long as we are under the control of Maya, as long we have not realized I am the soul, the Atma, and my only relation is with Radharani, Shri Krishna, as long as we don't realize that, This Maya gives from uncountable lifetime. Bahut sataya mo sahi nahi jaye. So much pain. Sometimes it's unbearable the amount of pain. We get the pain, we cry, oh, this person is the worst thing, oh, what the saints say, oh, this person, I don't want to see them, I wish they would die. Oh, children think about parent, husband thinks about wife, wife thinks about husband, about, and when the selfishness is not fulfilled. And then a little few days pass, the whole thing change again. Huh? Up, down, up, down. This is the relations in the world. When our selfishness is fulfilled, Jate kachu nij swarat hoi, ta par mamta kare sab koi. Sur nar muni sab kai yah riti, swarat lagi karahi sab priti. Shankar Bhagwan is saying to Parvati, this is the truth about worldly relations. It's all based on selfishness. When someone does what we want, I love you. Oh, I have the best wife. Oh, my husband is a devta, he's a god. And when they don't do it, oh, Rakshas, demon. When the parent does not do what the child wants, oh, why did I have to get a father like this, a mommy like that? Oh, look at that, my neighbor's mommy, daddy. And when they do, oh, my mommy is the best, my daddy is the best. Day and night, this is all is happening, up, down, all based on selfishness. And we still don't love. And it gives tremendous pain, because when you don't get what you want, there's pain. We get pain, you cry and you roll, and people, the more the attachment, the more pain you're going to get. The more pain, the more suffering. Unbearable. Lekin, ek aushadhi hai. There's a medicine to cure all this pain. To cure this viparyai, this vimukhata, which is the cause in all this pain and suffering, there's an aushadhi. Aushadhi means medicine. So who's going to tell us the medicine? If we have sickness in the body, fever, cold, virus, so we go to the doctor. Vaidya means doctor. But this is not disease of the body, this is disease of the mind. So for that we need a spiritual doctor. Sadguru Vaidya Vachana Vishwasa Sanjamaya Na Vishaya Ki Asha. We have to go to the spiritual doctor, the Sadguru, the true Guru, the true saint. You go to the wrong doctor, you're in big trouble. There's a lot of fake doctors. In some country, people end up going, because they don't want to pay the money or something, they go to a fake doctor, and instead of getting help, they get worse. Imposters. We judge externally. We look outwardly. We look at how a person dress, what kind of food they eat, how do they speak, their behavior. We look at the external. Lakhi suvesha jagavanchak jeu, vesha pratap puji ahiteu. This box has given too much feedback. So, Tulsidas says, the naive people in the world, the simple people, not knowing what is a guru, who is a true guru, what is a saint, because they're told you have to have a guru, so they judge on external things. They look at the person's dress, they look at the behavior, which family you're from, etc. And this is why instead of a true saint, we end up worshiping fake imposters. Majority of people we call guru in the world are all imposters. They have no idea what even a guru means. And people, oh, this is my Guruji, this is my... Is he a saint? I don't know. But he's my Guruji. Because somebody sings very nice, somebody is very handsome, somebody speaks very nice. This is the things we judge, we use for judging Guru. It's Kali Yuga. So we go to the wrong doctor. We have to go to the right doctor, Sadguru. Tasmar gurum papaddeta jigyasu sheya uttamam shabde parichinishnatam brahman upashamashayam. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 11 canto, 3rd chapter, 21st verse. In Bhagavad Mahapuran is describing who is a guru. What is a guru? We need a guru. Guru is very important. But the Bhagavad says there are certain things, there are qualities he has that makes him guru. Certain qualities. Shabde pare. In the Vedas it says Brahmanishtam, Shotriyam. Shotriya means he has knowledge of all the scriptures, all the Vedas, all the Puranas, all the scriptures. Complete knowledge. Plus, he is able to remove our doubts. But even more important, he is Nishnatham. And the Vedas say, Brahmanishtam. He has attained practical experience of God. Shri Krishna says in Gita, Tattvadarshinaha, chapter 4, verse 34, Gita. One who has attained the divine bliss, divine vision, divine knowledge of God. That's the Guru. He has attained godization. So he is the doctor for the mind, the real doctor. And the medicine is Sadguru Vaidya Bachana Vishwasa, having faith in what the Guru tells us, following his instructions. Agya Palan, not what our mind tells us, but following Guru's instruction. So, the Guru has told me the medicine. And what is the medicine? Guru ne bataya ya aushadhi, to wo hai sanmukhta. So we were like this is vimukhta. This is all the cause of all our problem. We have turned our backs away from God from beginningless time. So the Guru say, Bhaiya, just do sanmukhta. Right about turn, left about turn. Do this instead. But this means sanmukhta, completely surrender to Radharani, to Shri Krishna. Realizing that they alone is going to give us the happiness we are looking for. So the Guru told me the medicine. Tu hi meri, tu hi meri, tu hi meri Radhe. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
काम क्रोध लोभ आदि माया भट्ट राधे.
काम क्रोध लोभी आदि माया भट्ट राधे.
बहुत सतायो सही नहीं जाए राधे.
बहुत सतायो सही नहीं जाए राधे.
गुरु ने बताया याय औषधि राधे.
गुरु ने बताया
औषधि राधे. बस एक तेरी सन्मुखता राधे. बस एक तेरी सन्मुखता
राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे। मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे।
But we cannot surrender directly to God. Yes, Mukta we have to do, but we cannot do directly to God. Why? Because we can't experience God in any way. Go go char jah lagi man jai, so sab maya janehu bhai. The mind that we think with, the intellect that we know with, understand with, the senses that we grasp, they are all material. Maya, they are under the control of Maya, and God is beyond Maya. Divine God cannot be experienced with the material senses, mind, and intellect in any way. So we have to go to the Guru. We have to surrender to the Guru first. Guru ke sharan mein jana. We have to find the true Guru and take shelter in the Guru, surrender to the Guru. To Guru ki sharanagati. By doing the Guru, by surrendering to Guru, Guru will give us certain things. What is Guru going to give us? To Guru ही बताएगे साधना और Guru ही मिलाएगा तुम सन. These are two things Guru will do first. Firstly, Guru is going to tell us the sadhana. He's going to give us the right knowledge. Guru binu hoi ki gyan. Guru binu bhavanidhi tarai na koi. Jau biranchi shankar sam hoi. Tusidasi says in the Ramayana, a person may be as powerful as Brahma, the creator, as Shivji, the destroyer, but he will not be able to cross the ocean of Maya without the Guru. Guru is so important. So Guru gives knowledge. Binu sat sang viveka na hoi, Ram kripa binu sulabhan soi. Lot of people quote this chaupai. Worldly people, they say to people, oh, you've been able to come in this satsang, you've been able to listen to me only because God showered His grace. Is that the meaning of satsang? Satsang. Sat means saint, sant. Sang means association. Tulsidas Ji is saying, only when we associate with the true saint, the true Guru, we'll acquire true knowledge. And that association will come only when God will shower His grace. This is why later on in the Ramayana, Bhagwan Sri Ram himself says, Apne Shri Mukh, by his lotus mouth, Sri Ram himself is saying to the residents of Ayodhya, he says, Punya punja binu, milahi na santa, aur sat sangati sanshriti kar anta. Shri Ram says, oh, these foolish people in the world are going to misinterpret. Tulsidas Ji says, these foolish worldly people who think they know everything is going to misinterpret. So let me explain. So Bhagwan Sri Ram is saying, only after we have done great, great deeds, great devotion in many lifetimes, a huge amount has accumulated. Punya, spiritual deeds. Punja, a huge amount. God showers His grace and we're able to meet the saint, Santa. Our Satsangati, and without the association of that saint, this sansarity, this attachment for the material world cannot come to an end. So only when we associate with the true saint. So He's going to give us the true knowledge. He's going to tell us how to do sadhana the right way. Sit down and do puja, do this jap, 16 mala. No, Guru doesn't say that. Physical drill. Go march in, go around Govardhan mountain so many times. For Charo Dham ki march in karo. Guru doesn't say that. Guru says, sit down and meditate on Shri Krishna, Radha Rani, shed tears. मन को करना, मन ही मन को करना है भक्ति. The mind has to do bhakti. Physical drill, doing jap with the fingers, walking is not going to give you anything unless the mind is involved. The main thing is the mind. We have to do sadhana with the mind. We have to do bhakti with the mind. Because the mind alone is the performer of the action. Mana eva manushyanam karnam bandha mokshayoho Brahma Bindu Upanishad, second mantra. The Vedas say very clearly, man ev, the mind alone, is the cause of bondage as well as liberation. The mind is what will bring us back in this material world. The mind will take us to heaven. The mind will take us to hell. The same mind will take us to Bhagavan. The mind, only the mind. So Guru is going to tell us this, and Guru also is going to give us Radha Krishna. Guru is going to do everything. Tu hi meri, tu hi meri, tu hi meri Radhe. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तेरी सन्मुखता हित मेरी राधे.
तेरी सन्मुखता हित मेरी राधे.
गुरुवर की शरणागति राधे. गुरुवर की शरणागति
राधे.
गुरु ही बताएगा साधन राधे. गुरु ही बताएगा
साधन राधे.
गुरु ही मिलाएगा तुम सन राधे.
गुरु ही मिलाएगा तुम सन राधे.
ओ तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
There's a most beautiful verse in Bhagavad Mahapuran. Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu, my Guruji, says he loves this verse. Top! This verse from Bhagavad Mahapuran. Bhayam dvitiya bhiniveshatasya dishadametasya viparyayo smriti tanmayayato buddha agate tam bhaktaishayet sham Guru Devatatma. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 11 canto, 2nd chapter, 37 verse. Kavi, one of the 9 Yogeshwars, is saying to Videhanimi in Bhagavad Mahapuran. The entire lecture, the whole verse I did is covered by this one verse in Bhagavad Mahapuran. Such a beautiful verse. Top. Because of viparya, it comes in this verse too. The wrong knowledge, misidentification of the body. The soul is caught in the fear, bhayam, of birth and death, they will die, etc. And the reason for that is maya. And how to become free from this? One has to become exclusively devoted, surrender exclusively to Shri Krishna and look upon the Guru. Bhaktaishayesham Guru Devatatma. Look upon the Guru as your Ishtadev. He is God personified. Radha Krishna personified. And Atma, He is the soul. He is your soul. Love Him more than you love yourself even. Bhagavad Mahapuran is saying. That one verse in Bhagavad covers the whole kirtan we just did here. So, the top of all the verses in Bhagavad Mahapuran. Topmost. So here also, Guru ki jo mane atma ishta. Sri Maharaj has just taken that Bhagavad verse and made such a beautiful kirtan. Beautiful kirtan. That one who knows the Guru to be Radha Krishna personified and to be verily one soul, then Radharani becomes a Kripalu, merciful, and showers her grace upon that soul that she is able to realize Radharani, to attain Radharani. Tu hi meri, tu hi meri, tu hi meri Radhe, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
गुरु को जो माने आत्मा इष्ट राधे.
गुरु को जो माने
आत्मा इष्ट राधे. वापै तू कृपालु बनी कृपा करे राधे. वापै तू
कृपालु बनी कृपा करे राधे.
ओ तू ही, तू ही, तू ही, तू ही, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी, तू ही मेरी राधे. मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी, मैं भी तेरी राधे.
Bhajan number 36, Kirtan number 36. जा 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 वो ठगहार, तो ही जानी गई ब्रजनार. तू कपटिन को सरदार, भई भूल बनायो. डबल. कपटिन को सरदार, भई भूल बनायो यार. One gopi, this is a saint, topmost saint. She is saying very angrily to Thakurji, to Kanhaiya. This is a Leela. Very angrily. Get away from me. You're a thug. You are a very deceitful person. A cheat. Get very far away from me. Ja, ja, ja. All the gopis, they have realized, they know who you are, what you are. Sab jaan gaye. You among impostors, you are the greatest impostor, topmost of impostors. Hey Shyam Sundar, I made a very big mistake in making you my beloved. I did something very bad. Now this is a great, you put in a great charge, this gopi against Shyam Sundar. If somebody is making all these kinds of charges against someone, you must have proof. You cannot just make all this charge and you have no proof. In the world, you can be sued for libel. People, they will sue you for millions. This gopi is put in such great charge. So does she have any proof? She says, yes, I have proof of what I am saying. What is the proof? Treta mein liye avatar, bani Dashrath Rajkumar, aur chupi taruvar bali himar. First one, listen to the first proof. In the age of Treta Yuga, You came as a son of Raja Dashrath. You descended as a son of Raja Dashrath, King Dashrath. And hiding behind a tree, what did you do? You hid behind a tree and you killed Bali. That's a great thing you did. Huh? You hid from behind a tree and you killed Bali. So the gopi is making big charges. Ja 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 wo thagha तो ही जानी गई ब्रजना तू कपटिन को सरदार भई भूल बनायो यार
जा जा जाओ तो ही जानी गई ब्रजना तू कपटिन को सरदार भई भूल बनायो यार।
त्रेता में लिए अवतार बनी दशरथ राजकुमार त्रेता
में लिया अवतार बनी दशरथ राजकुमार
छुपी तरवर बाली मार भई भूल बनायो यार
छुपी तरवर बाली मार भई भूल बनायो यार।
So number one. Number two, this gopi is given big proof. She's making all these accusations against Sham Sundar very angrily. What she's feeling inside is a different. She says, listen to the second one. Liye puni Baman avatar. Aur gaye bhikshuk bani balidwar. You took a descension called Baman. Divine dwarf. Sri Krishna descended as a dwarf, chota sa. And because of Indra was very scared. Indra Bali was performing Ashwamedha Yagna. He had done 99 and he was about to do 100. That he will attain the position of Indra. Indra became scared. So for that reason, but the Lord came as Baman. And he went to Bali. Bali was doing the yagya. And he said, Bali came, seen him. He got up, left the yagya and said, "Oh Brahman Devata, please ask me for something." And the Lord said, Baman Dev, I want 3 footsteps of land. 3 pag. Bali said, I am Bali. I am very famous as a giver. What are you going to do with 3 footsteps? Ask for cows, hundreds of acres. Look, I'm a Brahmin. I just have to do my havan and all these things. I just want a little place to sit down. If I go in somebody's land, they might say, get out. That's all I need, 3 footsteps. Bali said, okay, give it to him. The law started to grow. He covered all the sky. With the first footstep, he covered all the entire world. All the heavenly regions, everything. The second footstep, he covered all the nether regions. And Bali had promised 3. Yeah, Bali, he said, you are a cheat. What? You promised me 3 footsteps of land. With 2 footsteps, I had covered all the 3 worlds. Where to put the 3rd? Bali said. Bali sacrificed himself. And what did Bhagwan do? He sent him straight to Patal Puri, the nether regions. In other words, he took away everything and gave it to Indra. Such a wonderful thing you did. Huh? To such a great person. This is the second charge. Ja 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 wo thagha तो ही जानी गई ब्रजनार, तू कपटिन को सरदार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
जा जा जाओ
ठगहार,
तो ही जानी गई ब्रजनार, तू कपटिन को सरदार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
लिए पुनि बामन अवतार, गए भिक्षुक बनी बलि द्वार। लिए पुनि
वामन अवतार, गए भिक्षुक बनि बलिद्वार।
लूट्यो बलि उर छलधार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
लूट्यो बलि उर छलधार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
So the gopi is saying all this. I made a big mistake to make you my beloved. What more do? You want to hear more? सब सोई कहा करू मोही प्यार. Whenever you see a gopi, a deserving soul, hey, love me. Love me. Make love, love me. You say to all the souls, Apuni kaha kahu tu mohi yaar. And not only that, look in my face and tell me, you are my beloved. Love only me and also look in my face and tell me, you are my beloved. Tu hi meri yaar, P. You are my beloved. You are shameless, nilaj. Extremely shameless. Nipat. You are uncivilized. You follow rules and no regulations. Do whatever come in your mind. Bhattamad. You rob others of everything. A plunderer. You are a plunderer. Very bad words this gopi is using for Thakurji. I made a very big mistake making you my beloved. जा जा जाओ ठगहार, तो ही जानी गई ब्रजनार, तू कपटिन को सरदार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
जा जा जाओ ठगहार, तो ही जानी गई ब्रजनार, तू कपटिन को सरदार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
सब सोई कहा करू मोहि प्यार, पुनि कहा कहू तू मोहि यार।
सब सोई कहा करू मोहि प्यार, पुनि कहा कहू तू मोहि यार।
ओ तू नीलज निपट भट मार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
तू नीलज निपट भट मार, भई भूल बनायो यार।
Not only that, you are so mischievous, so naughty. You will see a gopi, you go and you break, you snatch they're wearing very nice chains with very nice jewels, stones. You go and you break it, you pull it and break it like a monkey. You tear it away from them. And not only that, you snatch their head scarf, the gopis, they wear chunari, orhani, You snatch it and run away. All these things you're doing. Huh? Kahu idriga bananamar, and then you look at an innocent gopi and you shoot the arrows of love from your eyes to her. And that's the end of that gopi. That poor gopi now, she becomes restless to meet you all the time. She can't sleep, she can't eat food, nothing. All the time she's only thinking about you. Poor gopi. What did she do to get this treatment from you? You shoot these arrows of love and you make her useless. Ja 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 wo thagha तो ही जानी गई ब्रजना तू कपटिन को सरदार भई भूल बनायो या
जा 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 वो तगहा तो ही जानी गई ब्रजना तू कपटिन को सरदार भई भूल बनायो यार.
Not only that, finally the gopi says to Thakurji, she's sung like though she's very angry, but she loves Thakurji tremendously. It's a gopi's way. Thakurji loves it also. Don't worry too much about this. Anyhow, she says to Thakurji, look, all the gopis are bhori bhari. They are very innocent village. Anguta chap, the gopis never went to school. The topmost of science. They are uneducated. Yet Brahma, Sanak Sanandan Sanatan Sant Kumar, great personalities, Uddhav, they are begging Sri Krishna to become creepers, grass, etc. in Vrindavan, so that when these gopis will walk, the dust of their feet, the lotus charan will come and bless them. Such is the position of these gopis. The gopi says, we are bhori bhari, we are so innocent, naive. And you are so flirtatious, the biggest flirt. Gamar, uncivilized. Nipat, mischievous, naughty, you do whatever come in your mind. All these things they're saying to Thakurji. And Kripaluji Mahaprabhu says in the last line, the most surprising thing, there's something very surprising. The gopis making all this charge against Thakurji, and yes, every gopi sacrifices herself on the same Thakurji. All these things she's saying, yet she sacrifices herself. She wants no one and nothing except Thakurji. This is the most surprising thing. Not surprising. This is a gopi. Just the way of talking, this is all. Inside, she knows who Thakurji is. There's no doubt in her. This is a Leela, divine Leela of this the Bhakt, true devotee, and Shyam Sundar. Ja 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 wo thagha to hi jaani gayi brajna tu kapatin ko sardar bhai bhool banayo ya.
जा 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 वो तगहा तो ही जानी गई ब्रजना तू कपटिन को सरदार मैं भूल बनायो यार.
भोरी भारी ब्रजना तू लंपट निपट गमा भोरी
भारी ब्रजना तू लंपट निपट गमा.
ओ तब हु कृपालु बलिहार भई भूल बनायो या. तब बलिहार ब्रजनाथ तू कपटिन को सरदार भई भूल बनायो या
जा जा जाओ तगहा तो ही जान गई ब्रजना तू कपटिन को सरदार मैं भूल बनायो या।
बोले गोपिन की यार नंद कुमार की श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की लाडली लाल की सियावर रामचंद्र की पवन सुत हनुमान की प्यारी प्यारी अम्मा की श्री भक्ति धाम की श्री युगल कुंज की जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे।
Radhe Radhe. Thank you, Swamiji, for explaining beautifully these two wonderful verses from Yugal Satak. And now I will request everyone to take Aarti and Prasad from Swamiji, and dinner Prasad will be available in dining hall. And don't forget about tomorrow, same time, 7 to 8:30, will be another two wonderful verses and two poetries from Yugal Satak, which Swamiji will explain. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow as well. Radhe Radhe.